How to fix WhatsApp lagging issue on Android? Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix WhatsApp lagging issue on Android. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, launch Settings app on your device. Scroll down, locate Apps, tap on it, tap App Management, scroll down and locate WhatsApp, open it. Once you're on the App Info section, select Storage Uses. Tap Clear Cache. Check whether your issue resolved or not. If not, make sure that your app is up to date. Open Play Store or App Store. Tap Search icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Tap Search bar. Type in WhatsApp. If you see Update button next to Uninstall button, tap on it to update it to the latest version. Exit from here and restart your device. Hold on the power button, select Restart. Now following all the steps, your WhatsApp lagging issue on Android will be fixed. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.